Hi guys, we're Tim and Sandy and of course Pablo. We love travelling around in our 2004 converted Mercedes Sprinter. We are currently discovering what Australia has to offer and would love you to come along and join us. This week we take it upon ourselves to give our beloved Hiace Pepper a paint job. But does it go to plan? You'll have to watch and find out. Welcome to our channel, The Sandvan. Good morning everyone! As you probably don't know, it is Pepper's birthday this year. We're not sure exactly the date, but
she's 40 years old.
She's 40. So we have decided to give her a little makeover. I mean, she's done up inside and we will give you a van tour very soon. But we want to give her a paint job on the outside. She's looking a bit rickety at the moment, so we're off.
It's not the best paint job in the world we've got on her, and she's got stains on her, chips on her, all this sort of thing. So we just want to spruce her up a bit, make her look a bit nice. Yeah. We're going to keep the same colour, I think, or we're going to change it. Oh, we don't know. Probably the same colour.
So we're going to go down and pick some paint and we'll take you in.
Wonder how this night will be. The apple does not fall far from the tree. She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my will, I thought I'd let you know.
So just giving us a colour chart. Oops, right. And let's see if we can pick a colour.
Yeah, I thought that was near when we got in there, but it's nowhere near.
No. I think we're going to go for the rocket, which is a little bit cheaper and really shiny. So they're saying that those sort of paints are really hard wearing and they're really hard wearing.
Good for stone chips,
yeah,
anything like that.
Good for taking it out back, you know, if you're going to scrape on trees or have hail damage or anything like that, mild hail damage. It's really good for that sort of stuff. And
rugged.
Yeah, it's rugged, so I think we're going to go with that, but let's see if we can pick a colour first.
Rightio.
So I think this colour here is, well, it's exactly what it is, isn't it?
Yep.
But I think we want to make it a little bit brighter. So we're just going to see, well, mintier, really.
We need it mintier.
We'll go have a look.
We'll go add some mint.
Yeah, and see. Yeah, we actually colour matched her nails. She was wearing this really nice glossy green nail polish, and as soon as she picked it up, I'm like, we just want your nail colour. She's really so she's going to colour match her nails to the paint. So
and we're going to paint Pepper the same colour as the woman in the shops.
Yeah, I think she's happy she wore that nail polish today.
Right, it's time for a little coffee break. We're just setting in now. Some Zarafas. Sitting in the car park, enjoying.
It's bad, it's so good. We don't use pepper enough, I don't think.
Yeah, we don't use pepper enough. We haven't popped the top because we're not camping yet. It's nice having the little air fan blowing down on us. It's a pleasant place to be whilst drinking coffee.
So we're in Bunnings and we're here for a sander on top. We don't have one.
Yes, we need a sander. We also need a corridor.
So we're just going to find them. I think we need a Bunnings person.
Somewhere close about. Ooh, let's find out.
Could not resist. We were just in Super Cheap and I had to get one of these little hula dances for the dance. Whereabouts? Yeah, right in the centre?
Right in the centre.
Is that the centre?
Yep.
Look at that! Perfect.
I'll show you in action when we're going along the road. Here we go. There she is. She looks a little bit tatty at the moment. All her paintwork's faded and scratched and We've got little rust patches here and there. She's not looking too good for 40 years old, but she is pretty solid underneath, so we will fix her up and we will make her shine again. Right, done some of the prep work. I'm just starting the sanding now. I've taken off the lights, the little grills, the badges, they're all off. So yeah, we'll just sand all the nasty stuff back and then we can start on the actual painting.
Well, so far, she looks like she's been in an accident. Oh, we'll come together. Early days. We're hoping to get this whole thing done today, but it seems it is going to take a little bit longer because it took us ages to get that paint ready. We didn't pick it up till, I want to say midday. And we've had lunch and now we're just prepping the van, so I think this will be a couple of days effort, but it'll be worth it. I hope so. Tim's done a really good job with the taping. I went away for 10 minutes and it's all done. We've just finished, as you can hear bottles going into the bin. We've just finished masking the van, so we're going to leave this for today because look at this behind me, it is raining and we've got to start work in an hour. So we will finish this up tomorrow. Bye. Morning. It's painting day today, hopefully. Hopefully we can start. So the van is prepped and ready to go and we're just going to mix some paint. Hopefully this turns out nice. Let's see.
We've got Rocket. It's a tough 2K protective coating. It's meant to be very flexible and very hard wearing. We've got our colour, which has been aptly named as dirty light green. So that's the colour we're going with. So in the pack, this is a 4-pack, so it makes 4 litres. This is your base. This is your hardener. You put 100 ml of the colour into here, measure it out, pour this into here, mix it, and then when you're ready to go, you add this straight in there. Shake it up, give it a good old shake, and then you start painting. You have 12 hours before it becomes no good to paint with. And you can also attach this to a spray gun and spray if you wish. But we're going old school and we're going to use a roller because her paintwork's not that great anyway, and we're just making her a little bit prettier.
Ooh!
That is our colour.
That looks nice.
Smells great.
Yep.
It's either going to work really well or terribly bad.
Here's nothing.
Here goes nothing.
Oh, that is way dark. That is lighter than I expected. like the thickness of the paint's light?
Yeah, it's quite thin paint. I suppose it's just sprayable. Gonna need a couple of coats.
It doesn't look how I expected it to look. What do you reckon?
I expected it to be mintier. It may react and change.
I hope it becomes shinier, because we asked for glossy, like real glossy. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. I'll give it a minute. That is the colour I wanted. That is not that colour. We're gonna have to go back. We're just a bit unsure if we like this or not. Like, that is a huge contrast of what we actually, because you wanted this colour but brighter. That is a completely different colour.
Over here it looks.
Why don't we, well,
Take pictures.
take a picture of it, show them like that is not what we signed up for. Instead of painting the whole fair.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah. Let it dry and see. It might make a difference when it dries. It might be a bit different, make a difference when it dries, but I don't know. It's too dark.
I think it's going to make it look tacky. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I think we're going to go back to the shop, and we can't go back for a couple of weeks. So I think. What do you think? Do you think green or do you think blue? Let us know in the comments below. I think we're maybe thinking of blue now.
Yeah.
Because that
It's not.
not what we signed up for. Yeah, anyway. Let us know what you think.
What did we do? Well, that's that done for the back end.
Well, I think we'll leave it here for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like our video. Just let us know what colour you like, and please subscribe if you want to see this actually painted at some point. And we'll see you next week. See you later. This week's episode is brought to you by the letter P. The number 0.
And action.
Yep, the fumes have got to me. And weirdly enough, there is no fumes, so